these lower computers that go with my company laptop, which are great, you know, that's fine. And then I got my personal computer here, where I can do additional research, and you got those upper two monitors, great. And then now, what I did is you've got this switching device, so I use the same keyboard, right? Same keyboard, same mouse, and I put this switching device right here. So you go here like this, you're using, you know, the upper monitors. There, you see the cursor moving over. And then if you hit the button down here, now you are down here. And you could change information. And it switches instantly. Man, I'm just telling you, this thing is pretty cool.
Okay, so I have the KVM switch. It's underneath my desk. I give this product, I would say maybe 2 stars, or I kind of want to give it 3, but so I guess 2.5. But I guess I'll just give it 2 because inconsistency. I have the switch right here. Sometimes when I press the button, the mouse does not connect to the second PC. And but the keyboard always connects. And see, I press it now. Let's see. I can type over it. Well, let me press this. Just press the button, switch. Mouse is moving over here on these 2 screens. The switch over to this next PC. Press the button. Mouse works sometimes it doesn't. So I have to use the second mouse. So defeats what I wanted.
Works as advertised without any issues, especially with that 5 gigabit connection, which is accurate. I have a webcam, ring light, and a stream deck all hooked up to this between my 2 PCs, and I can switch without any issues. And it delivers power to my ring light at the highest setting without any issues. Make sure you are using external power that is rated for this device, or you might see some flickering, but that's my only feedback. Overall, this works perfectly fine. Great for my use case. I love that additional cord they add as a switch as well.
Estamos aquí en este ordenador, moviendo el ratón. Le damos el botón y en un segundito, un segundo o 2, ya cambia.